In this video, I will show you how to use Cash App without providing social security number. So using Cash App without providing a social security number is possible, but it will impose some limitations on your account because Cash App primarily use or require SSN number to verify your identity for full access to its features. But if you still want to use Cash App without SSN, you can follow this step. So first thing you need to do is just download and set up the app. You can download Cash App from your device app store such as your Play Store or App Store, and then sign up using your email address or phone number. After this, all you have to do is just add a payment method, so you can link your debit card or a bank account to your Cash App account. This is optional, but if you want to send money or receive money, it will be necessary for you to add payment method. Now you can send and receive money without SSN verification. You can send and receive money in your Cash application, but there are some limitations, such as you can only send $250 in 7-day period, and you can receive $1,000 in 30-day period. So the Cash App will occasionally prompt you to provide your SSN for identification, but you can also close that prompt. You don't have to necessarily provide your SSN number. You can skip this step and the apps will work for you without even providing SSN number. So if this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.